In this video I'm gonna show you how to clean and shine your tire the right way and the cheapest way possible. You can see this tire is very faded. This is stuff available on Walmart. You could buy them cheap, you don't have to buy expensive stuff. Just save money. Probably will cost you maybe less than $10, and you could keep the stuff for probably a couple months. This shine will last probably, I would say, 2 weeks, maybe 10 days, but that's the right way to do it. You don't have to buy expensive stuff, you don't have to buy a name brand, you could just buy anything off the shelf on Walmart. And I'm gonna show you what I use. You could buy Whirlpool stuff. The cheapest one, you don't have to buy the expensive one. I buy them by the 5-gallon. You could buy the 1-gallon, it's like $4 in Walmart. I use a spray bottle. You could reduce this with water 50-50. On dairy stuff you could use 70-30, you could use 100%, but just be careful. I mean 50 is fine. You could use this in the interior on a dashboard, but make sure you clean it right away. If you use it inside the car, you can use probably 30% of this, 70% water. It is very powerful. Okay, on the tires I use 50-50. I use sometimes 70% of this, 30% water, but that's what you use. You don't have to buy the 5-gallon. I just like to buy the 5-gallon and make my own faucet on it, because I use it all the time. It works fine, it's good. This thing is cost like, I think, $20, the whole thing. You could buy a 1-gallon, sell them by a gallon, 1 gallon like $4. Sometimes they're on sale like $3. Bucket of water. And also I use turtle wax, but you could use any one, doesn't have to be this one. There's a different ones. You could buy the cheapest one, $3, $4 a can. Will last you probably 3 or 4 months, depends how how often you use it. But that's what I use. I use different brands, but whatever on sale I just buy it. I don't care. All of them, they work. I like the foam better than the other ones because it cleans better. Okay. However, all of them, they work. It takes a few minutes to do it. I'm gonna show you how I do it, and this way you can save money. Okay, let me start with the process. Okay, first thing you do, you spray it with a spray bottle. Make sure you spray it evenly. Let it sit for a few minutes. Look, the dirt coming out of it. I don't know if you notice. Look how much dirt comes out of it. You could clean the rims too as well, but it's usually you have to do more scrubbing on the rim. But this is the easiest way to do it. Look at this. Okay, probably less than 1 minute. You can see how much stuff coming out of it. Look how much dirt coming out. All right. So very much like about, you let it sit for 1 minute. After 1 minute, you just come back and you just clean it with a sponge or a brush. Spray it one more time and then hose it with water. Just less than 10 seconds. Hose it with water after that. Let it sit and dry. Make sure it's fully dry before you spray the turtle wax. Just wait a few minutes until dry, and then I'll spray this on it and leave it sit until the foam goes away, and you can see the difference. It looks shiny right now, but this is gonna fade because now I just cleaned all the dirt on the tire. So to make it look shiny and last, you have to just spray this stuff or anything similar, $3-4. Don't overpay, and that will do the job. I'll be back in a few minutes after this is dry. Okay, the wheel dry now. Just gonna spray it also evenly. Shake this well. Okay, I'll come back in probably 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes until the whole thing is dry and shiny. I'll show you what it looks like at the end. Okay, let's go check the tire after like probably 3 or 4 minutes. You can see it. See how this shininess stays, I would say probably at least a week. It depends where you go. It's gonna feel more natural after maybe 10-15 minutes. Compare this to the one in the front. Here is this one, and here is this one. And here you have it. Please subscribe and give me likes to help this channel. I'm on a mission to post about 1,000 video, and all of it's gonna be beneficial to you guys. I have 35 years experience in this business, mechanical, cleaning, body work, everything you name it. I have a lot of tricks around this business, and I could show you a lot of ways to save money. So please subscribe to the channel so I can post more videos. Thank you for watching.